Make a great choice today with the 2019 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, Bose sound system, power passenger seat, power lift gate, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, Bluetooth, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.